everyone, I'm making my husband's Valentine's Day present. So I'm gonna start with this WD-40, spraying my little cups in there and starting with with a black, and then the red, neon pink, and all of those Valentine colors, a little bit more black. And I'm trying to do the way Rick Chadle does it, put in spray in between layers. And so I am going to use the dirty slide technique in this little tray that I bought. And as you can see, it's been sanded so that it will the paint will attach to it. So now I am going to do a little X in my little cups, and they will be ready to do the dirty slide. So there we go, 1, 2, 3, and there goes the other one. And now I figure that if there was any color that would cover the background of that tray would be black. And so, plus it's gonna look good with the neon pink that I used as well. So I'm happy with it. Now, as you can see, my formula is very, very thin. So, which is really good for this kind of technique. And it helps the paint slide better. And I really, really like it. Although I'm not a fan of the WD-40, I prefer dimethicone, but some people just have a hard time finding dimethicone outside of the United States. So I decided to do the tray because my mother and my grandma always said that the way to a man's heart is through his stomach. And my husband works from home, and his office is in the upstairs, and I work downstairs. So sometimes he gets too busy that he doesn't have time to come and share a meal with me. And so I bring him food, but my little arms are not long enough to hold both of our meals. And so I have to go up and down, up and down. And I'm hoping that with this tray, I will be able to hold more food and just go and join him when he cannot come and join me. So my husband and I both love food. We're both foodies. And I think this would be a perfect Valentine gift for him. So as you can see here, I am just sliding my cup, and I'm filling the background with more black. The paint, like I said, is very thin, and so it doesn't require much tilting. And that's another thing that I'm testing here too. See how much paint I can put in a surface without cracking when it dries. So we'll find out, see what happens when it dries. So right now I am just filling up the parts that I don't have enough paint in there, and I'm filling the corners with black, and I'm just doing a little slide in there before I run out of paint. And now I am just filling up that right hand side corner in there with a black. As you can see, in the left hand side, I almost see the figure of an octopus in there. Do you see it? Anyway, I think it's pretty cool. I'm liking what I'm seeing here, but I'll see what happens when it dries. I'll show you right away, okay? All right, a day later, this is how it dried. And I'm gonna take the moment to explain something to you. Somebody in YouTube asked me why the paint loses its gloss when it dries. Just a second, I'll explain this to you. This is a slide of slice of apple. Okay, this is a fresh apple, and you can see nice and plump. It has all of this water, but then we'll see this one. This one is a dehydrated apple. As you can see, just like in the painting, when the water evaporates, then because of the process of evaporation and condensation, we lose the gloss that we have when we pour our fresh paint. Now I'm going to apply this mica pigments. As you can see, I've already started with the darker pink, and I'm using the lighter pink right now to touch it up and create these different effects. Boy, I feel like a paleontologist right now with this brush. But anyway, I'm just going to do some touches throughout the painting, and then I will show you how it looks once it's varnished. All right, so hang tight, I'll be right back. All right, ladies and gentlemen, this is the finished shade. It's already been varnished. I put 2 coats of my Rust-Oleum spray that I use. As you can see, is very nice, very smooth in this side. You can also see the shades and the shiny spots that the mica or eyeshadows that I used. And the only thing is, I don't know if you could appreciate in there is some cracking in here because I did not tilt. Remember, I did not tilt it because I was testing. And this is the only spot, and very, very tiny spots, which I figure the only thing my husband's gonna see is the food that I'm gonna bring to him in it. So I really don't mind. And other than that, this is how it looks like. I would have preferred the effects from the dimethicone instead of the WD-40, but it is what it is. And I have put together a slideshow right next to for you guys as my Valentine's gift for you, and I hope you enjoy it. Till next time, keep pouring. On behalf of my husband and I, we want to wish you all a happy Valentine's Day. We wish that the love and friendship celebrated today may dwell with you in your hearts every day, every year, for the rest of your lives. We're grateful for your friendship and for the support that you give me through your time and your beautiful comments in each of my videos. And we could not be more grateful for you, and we wish you the best. And happy Valentine's, everyone, from Eric and myself. Till next time, enjoy your day and take care.